Tisinin wak thusoh ve ho chibai thusoh hin sem mercy hat nei ning ama san thusoh thumakai ho hunama sum ki dong le gi na ki bol ho thulhu ding tia Manipur government in say ESG headquarter church tingkon pangin senior kumthum na simlai ho Bible camp anei piu khum kha Zomi Council to gon a Zomi movement to kimana consultation khat ananayu Zomi sungalam kailu botam tapang KCLF to gon ta kibol gamsung bison launching kin gon sung gila kukinam pi sungalam kailu botam tain panla 94 Battalion CRPF in Kangpo Pian hi veichana dia civic action program hing zangmuna anabol 112 Battalion CRPF on Kangpo Pi District as South Changobunga Civic Action Program mang Union Home Minister le Minister of Cooperation Amit Sain NCORD New Delhi 9 Apex level meeting makai Russia in Oresnik intermediate range ballistic missile mga Ukraine anakap kit FIFA World Cup vet hena dinga FIFA to TikTok in partnership khat ball